Okay, so for these, we're going to translate to an equation first, and then we're going to solve them. The sum of a, this is the variable a, and 8 is -1. So sum we know is plus of a and 8, so that means we're going to add a and 8 together. A plus 8 is means equals -1. And then to solve this, again, we're going to solve for a, so then separate the two sides to get rid of this, right, because that's still on the same side. Subtract it. That's the inverse operation, right? Then whatever I do to this side, I have to do to the other side. 1 away. A is left by itself equals -1 minus 8. Okay, so here's negative and here's negative. You have 1 cat, you got 8 more cats. How many cats do you have total? 9 cats. And then cats, we know, are negative, so it has to be a negative number. So then there is my answer. A is -8, or I'm sorry, -9. The next one, 9 minus a is 7. So 9 minus a equals 7. I'm solving for this. Okay. Now, for this one, we don't have to use the inverse operation, right? If you can solve it in your head, if it's easy, then you can just go ahead and do that. So we know 9 minus what equals 7? Well, that's 2. Just make sure, just be careful that you're not going to just write 2 as your answer, okay? If you just write 2, you have to identify it as your variable. That's what you found a to be, okay? So you want to write a equals 2, okay? Because 9 minus 2 equals 7. Next one, k more than 14 is 20. We know more than is plus, right? This is plus. But then I see this word here. Okay, so remember, whenever you see that word, you have to switch them. You have to write it in the opposite order. So instead of k plus 14, you're going to say 14 plus k is 20. Okay, again, you're solving for k. You can just do this in your head. You know that 14 plus 6 more is going to give you 20. So you can say k equals 6. Or if you want, you can just practice doing the inverse operation. You're going to subtract 14 because this is a positive 14. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. Goes away. K is left by itself, which is what you want, equals, this is 6. And the last one, 5 less than q is 11. 5 less than q is 11. So less than we know is minus, but then again, here's that word. So it's going to be q minus 5 equals 11. So a number q, if you take 5 away, is going to be 11. So we know q is going to be 16. Again, just to show you the inverse operation, I'm solving for q, so get rid of everything on that side. You're going to add 5 to get rid of it. And then whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So then you're going to have q equal to 16. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching Educator.com.